Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another marketing presentation wherein this time we are bringing Amul with focus on its brand strategies and contribution at global, rural and social market environments. Firstly, let's take a glimpse of its formation. So, Amul, being the largest Indian brand, was formed in 1946 by Gujarat Federation situated in Anand district of Gujarat. Also, its founders are Kibhuvan Das, Yushibai Patel and Varghese Curie. So let's get started with Amul's three-tier system. So starting from the bottom line, we have village level corporations dairy society. It's been the primary producer basic member. In this society, it's about their village level societies, farmers and milk producers form dairy cooperative society where any farmer can buy the share and become the member of the society. The farmers can sell their milk in society, and this is the cooperative society which work under guidance of supervisors and milk supply officers. Every dairy society have their collection center, and after collection milk is sent to the union dairy plant. Now the next comes is the district level milk union, that is the confederation of VLCS. In this, the district union, it represents all the cooperative societies of the district. After collection of the milk from various societies, they are brought to the district union where the processing of milk takes place. Here, the milk and the milk products are then ready for marketing. Dairy Cooperative Society is the main pillar of the district level union. District union provides the inputs and other services to cooperative society which will help reproduction rate in villages. As an input, farmers are provided with the fields and veterinary health care. Cleaning and sanitization of tank and cans are done by the union only. The topmost level takes the state level milk federation, that is the union of DLCS. Marketing of milk and milk products like butter, cheese, paneer, milk powder is done by the state federation as it's their responsibility too. It also take care that no unhealthy products are marketed and should not cause any harm to the consumers. So they support union and the village level corporation activities. So in this way, the Amul pattern has been followed.
So our next strategy is local market strategy. So first thing first, let us start with bottom of pyramid. So what is bottom of pyramid? Bottom of pyramid is an economic term, is a structure in which mostly 60 to 70% of the population lies on the bottom of that particular pyramid, which has low incomes. So normally huge brands like Amul target this kind of this population in order to generate their profits. So normally the products offered to this category are low priced and small in quantity. As you can see in the pyramid, like Amul Masti Dahi, Doodh, Chas, butter and small cups ice creams are offered in a small quantity. As well, they are also available in big quantity as well, but especially these products have been made in small quantity, so that this kind of population, or we can say the 60 to 70% of the people who have low income, can also enjoy the taste of those products. So now we will move to our brand strategy. So our brand uses mostly two strategy in order to gain the market share, that is competitive pricing policy and aggressive advertising strategy. Competitive pricing strategy is used by Amul in order to capture the Indian markets at a huge volume, because normally because other brands have a generally high value prices than the Amul. In aggressive advertising strategy, Amul uses the Atari Buttery Girl, which is very much famous for Amul's icon, as an Amul's icon.
So now we will look at the supply chain management of Amul. Farmer is the main producer of milk and also is the primary key of supply chain management. Farmer can supply the milk in 4 parts. That is, first, village cooperative societies without chilling unit. Second, village cooperative society with chilling unit. Third, local restaurants and other milk related businesses. And last is milk can directly sold to the village and local residents. Village cooperative society are connected to district union, which provide the network services like veterinary service, animal husbandry, animal feed factory, rural management unit, can producers and trucking facilities. With the help of chilling unit, milk is sent to chilling plant where milk are processed at district union and then sent to the warehouse. And from warehouse, after all the processing packaging, it is sent to the wholesalers. From wholesalers, it is sent to retailers and home delivery contractors. From retailers and home delivery contractor, the final product is reached to consumer. This is all about the supply chain management of Amul.
Talking about the product mix of Amul. As Amul is one of the leading brands in milk products, they also have a diverse product range. Amul uses the milk and turn it into different products. So list of the products are as follows: milk, bread spreads, beverages, ice cream, ghee, chocolates, fresh cream. So now further talking about price mix of Amul. So the main USP of Amul brand is its low pricing. Amul hits at its transnational by reducing its prices on its product. The competitive advantage is its backward integration strategy, which helps them in cost reduction. So talking further about place mix, so Amul has an enormous distributive channel which covers almost all parts of a country. Basically, they have two distinct channels. One is acquisition channel, which gathers milk through dairy agents, and other is charge of circulating it to end customers. Amul have 18,000 refrigerators, which is the largest cold chain network in India. So now at last, I will talk to you about promotion mix of Amul. So Amul usually don't spend much in advertising. So you will glad to know that Amul doesn't spend more than 1% of its revenue in its promotion. So Amul is one of the longest and successful campaign with a promotional character, the Amul Girl. With increase in number of e-commerce users recently, Amul also shifted its e-commerce platform with their app. So Amul is highly respected brand with respect to its name and public trust. Hence, this completes the Amul marketing mix.
Global market for Amul. The parent company for Amul is located in Anand, which is in Gujarat, and Amul uses its global marketing strategy as it formulates its pricing policy on low cost price strategy, which has attracted a lot of customers in the past and it continues to do so. Amul captures its global market, Amul is available today in over 40 countries of the world. Amul is exporting a wide variety of products. The major markets are United States, West Indies, countries in Africa, Gulf region, and our SRC neighbors, that is Singapore, Philippines, Thailand, Japan, and China. Amul, a brand of dairy cooperative, major Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, is ranked 8th in the list of top 20 global dairy processor released by International Farm Comparison Network. The homegrown dairy giant has moved up one rank since last year's ranking. In 2018, it emerged as 9th largest milk processor by IFCN, a global dairy research network. Amul was ranked at 18th position in 2012. However, in flat 8 years, it has moved 10 notches above to the current 8th position.
Social market. Amul initiated CSR activity with certain aim to grow awareness among the people, to inspire, encourage and educate the farmer, to maintain the public relation with concern of ethics, social and environmental factors. So let's get started with following activities performed by Amul. First one is rural sanitization campaign. The main aim of this campaign is to maintain good hygiene in the milk supply chain management. Not a single person will attend nature call in an open space. Amul provides low cost toilet blocks which cost around 11,500 per unit, with a partner included in this process, that is District Rural Development Agency, National Housing Bank, that is from Ahmedabad, and Finnish Society, New Delhi. Next one is Amul Scholar. To encourage and inspire the children of farmers, Amul introduced scholarship scheme in 1992. You can see following are some scholarship scheme performed by Amul. Also, the third one is blood donation camp. Its main aim to inspire, encourage and initiate humanitarian services to minimize, alleviate and prevent human suffering at all time, to contribute for humanity to peace. Amul initiated blood donation campaign in 1987 in association with Indian Red Cross Society. The fourth one is dairy demonstration farm. Amul has come out with a various scheme to increase cattle holding per farmer, thereby their income. A dairy demonstration farm has been set up at Moghar to demonstrate scientific method of dairy farming. The union provides technical support to milk producers on scientific animal husbandry practices.
Let's now talk about one of them, that is the tree plantation. So this organization was started by Amul on 15th August 2007 to plant sampling and ensure that it grows into a tree. It's contributing share in making Gujarat lush green. In last 5 years, milk producers of GCMM Federation planted around 312 lakhs tree samplings and survivability rate is 47%.
Tribundas Foundation. The main aim of this foundation is to provide a basic healthcare facility to villagers. Foundation is run by villagers themselves. Foundation has dedicated team of medical officers and necessary staff. Continuous training to village healthcare are provided. Swarojgar Yojana. Amul provide various necessary laboratory has been put into the operation. This is all from Group 2 about Amul branding. Thank you.